how to flatten land in Minecraft. So first, just go to a point where you want to flatten the land. So let's say I want to start on a point right here, and I'm just gonna go put some oak log to go to my height. So everything below me or everything below where I am will be flattened. And now just open up your coordinates, and for Minecraft Bedrock, just go to your settings, go to game, just scroll down, and you will see an option to open up the coordinates. But for Minecraft Java, just simply click on F3 on your keyboard to reveal the coordinates right here. So my coordinates is the XYZ here on the left side, so I'm just going to take a screenshot of it. And once that's done, just go to the opposite side on where we want to clear the coordinates. So we're going to come from here. So let's say I want to start right here, and now get the coordinates again here on the left side. But right here, I'm just going to take a screenshot again. The next thing that we want to do is just turn on or just open up our chatting commands and type on fill, and fill the first, or put the first coordinates that we had earlier. And now just type in the command just like this on the one that I typed. So this was the first coordinate that we did, and this was the second coordinate that we have, which is right here where I'm standing, and just type in air at the last part and just click on enter. And as you can see, it now has been removed. And that's how you basically flatten land in Minecraft.